Hello everyone and welcome to the Tellow Family Kitchen. We're continuing our theme of French style cooking, and as we get into fall, the weather gets a little cooler. I really like to have soup, and the classic French version would be onion soup, but truthfully I don't really like onions. So Mom has a version of vegetable soup. That's what we'll be making today. This is a recipe that Mom actually came up with herself. The ingredients are great, and she's been making it for about 30 years now. So quite a few ingredients: carrots, potatoes, spinach, cilantro, tomato sauce, chickpeas, turmeric, Vegeta, and cumin, and water later. So the first thing, for the carrots, a thinner one like this, we'll just go ahead and put it in the pan. For the thicker ones like this, Mom likes to cut them in half, and then we'll put those in. Again, thinner one right in, kind of thicker one, cut. Then we'll add enough water to cover the carrots and cook them on high for 20 minutes. Then while the carrots are cooking, we'll wash and peel the potato. Then usually Mom cuts them about like this, here, about like there, and then she kind of does one of these, and we'll put them all together, and she goes about like this, about like that sizes. Doesn't have to be perfect, just to kind of make it a little smaller. After the potatoes are cut, we turned off the heat briefly with the carrots, and then all of the potatoes go in. Then we'll add some more water to make sure everything is covered, and then turn it back on high. Next, we have a can of chickpeas. We drained and rinsed these. All of those go in as well. We want to make sure the water level is covering everything. And then half a teaspoon of turmeric. Spread that in and then give that a mix. Then we'll do 5 of these little spoons of Vegeta. Kind of takes the place of salt. And then just a dash of cumin. Guess what? We almost forgot a key ingredient, the tomato sauce. Entire can of that in as well. That gives it a lot of good flavor and a nice mix too. Now we got everything in, and then we'll cover it. After about 30 minutes, we'll check and see if the vegetables are done. If you can put a knife through the potato and it goes in rather easily like that, it's probably done. Then we'll rough chop the spinach and cilantro. Like that. So on our stove it took about 45 minutes to cook it thoroughly, and then we'll get some in a bowl. Make sure to get a good amount of these potatoes in, right there, and then let it cool down a little bit here. First thing I noticed is very soft. The potatoes are cooked through really thoroughly, and all the other vegetables with the tomato sauce and the Vegeta gives it a really savory flavor. Great recipe for Mom. I really hope you guys get a chance to try this vegetable soup, and if you do, let me know what you think. The recipe and ingredients are at the bottom of the video. Thanks so much to you guys for watching. Thanks to Mom for her help running the camera, and we'll see you next time from the Tellow Family Kitchen.